need a small vacation. What? Oh. Headset.
Outtake.
Okay, this is the song that I'm going to sing after I speak in Iowa. It might take a minute for you to understand why. Jason Mraz. Song is rather legendary. This is what I'm going to say after I'm done speaking in Iowa. I will sing this song, and then I will say, spoken in every state. You got that? I did it. I spoke in every state. I did it. Overland Park, Kansas, in the house. Victor, pleasure, man.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yep, all the best.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, great. See you tomorrow.
Yes.
Drive safe. Oh, good.
You're our
Awesome.
CEO and president.
All right. How are you, my friend?
Thanks for coming in.
Yeah, thanks
Appreciate
for having me.
it. Yeah.
So I get asked a lot, like, what do you do to get yourself fired up before you go on stage? And the truth is, nothing, right? I mean, I'm already kind of in a fired up state all the time. Though there are some things, maybe like, I don't know if I'd call them hacks or like just simple little things that I do that really get me centered and focused around who it is I'm working with and what are their outcomes. So I might ask myself, you know, or ask the CEO of the company, like, hey, what's the outcome here? What are your big intentions? What's most important to you? How will we know if we won today? Like, what's going to be the leading and lagging indicators? So I want to know that, especially when, you know, when you're being hired, you want to know, like, am I delivering on whatever expectation or promise they had in their head when they wrote the check? Same exact thing when you're listing a house or dealing with a buyer or doing a loan or anything else. So there's a little bit of that. But you know, like all the normal stuff is just my normal routine. Get up early, exercise, do my gratitudes, think about the, you know, the people I'm grateful for, the, you know, the experiences in my life that I'm grateful for, my health and vitality. Then I think about the people that I love, and I think about the people that I just want to put love on. And then I think about, you know, what are my intentions? And then I read like my 20-year vision. And you know, when you do those kind of things like every day, it's like the example that I've shared last week in Baltimore. Like, if you continually plant like these little pebbles at the top of a mountain, and you know, like 19 or 20 of them, those pebbles start to roll down the hill, sort of metaphorically, and they pick up steam, and they pick up more, and they get bigger, and they get stronger, especially if like they're in snow, if you can sort of imagine that. We all know that example. And so today, like, it's not like, do I do this and do I get motivated? It's, I started pushing those pebbles down the mountain 25 years ago, right? So when you do something for like 2.5 decades, all of a sudden people are like, well, he's just so positive all the time. Or, you know, how do you keep your energy up? I don't know, how do you do it? And I'm like, 25 years ago, I made the choice to push those pebbles down the mountain. And today it looks like thunder and power and energy that is unstoppable. And it is, but it's because I made that choice 25 years ago. So as you're sitting here today, maybe the question isn't like, hey Tom, how do you do it? Maybe the question for you is, what are the pebbles you're going to put at the top of the mountain so in a decade or two, you are unstoppable? That's the question. Stand up, you are gorgeous. Tell me your name.
Celine.
Celine? Okay, give her a huge round of applause. Okay, where are you from originally?
Istanbul.
Oh, I was in Istanbul at the Four Seasons on the Bosphorus. Oh, this was fantastic. With all my crazy, they're like, hey, you want to go to China? I was like, yeah, I want to go to China. We took the boat across the river.
Yeah.
That's China. I didn't get through high school, so you understand I didn't understand that. Here's the deal, you ready? Now, no one else listen. Female with accents outproduce everyone. If she gets on the phone, or better yet, do you know the live button on Facebook? Do you guys know the live button? Well, if you want to live on Facebook, you got to hit the live button. The live button is live. If this one went, is it Celine? Hello, it's Celine. I'm standing in front of my beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath bungalow right here at the corner of Hama Hama and Nana Nana. This charming little property has not been on the market for almost 22 years. if you are considering living here in Hama Hama and you want this beautiful nana nana, you should call me at 555-1212. My name is Celine. Hello. And that video ends and then hit boost and it'll go viral and you'll have a bunch of single dudes like, hey. No, what'll happen is accents cremated in real estate. Accents kill it, guys. Now you're like, well, I got an accent. Well, if everyone else talks like you don't have an accent. So just heads up. Cool?